Welcome back to AI Path. In this video, we're diving into ClawHub, the skill marketplace for OpenClaw. We'll browse the catalog, install a skill, and configure it, all in just a few minutes. First, what are skills? Think of them like apps on your phone. Your phone comes with basic features built in, but you install apps to add new capabilities. OpenClaw works the same way. Out of the box, it can chat and do basic tasks. But skills give it the ability to interact with specific services, like Gmail, Spotify, your smart home, GitHub, and thousands more. Each skill is a small package that teaches OpenClaw how to talk to a specific service. ClawHub is the official skill marketplace. You can browse it at clawhub.io or directly from the command line. Skills are organized into categories like communication, productivity, developer tools, entertainment, and smart home. Each skill has a rating, download count, and description so you know what you're getting. The community has built over 5,700 skills so far, and new ones are added every day. Let's install your first skill. We'll use the Gmail Pro skill as an example. Open your terminal and run OpenClaw skill install Gmail Pro. OpenClaw downloads the skill package and adds it to your configuration. Now you need to set up authentication. Run OpenClaw skill configure Gmail Pro. This opens a browser window where you sign into your Google account and grant OpenClaw permission to read and send emails. Once authorized, the skill is ready to use. Now let's talk about permissions and security. This is really important. When you install a skill, OpenClaw shows you exactly what permissions it needs. The Gmail skill, for example, needs read and send access to your email. You can review these permissions and choose to grant or deny each one. Skills run in a sandbox, meaning they can only access what you've explicitly allowed. And because everything is open source, you can inspect the skills code on GitHub before installing it. Always check the ratings and reviews before installing a new skill. That's ClawHub. You now know how to find, install, and configure skills for your OpenClaw assistant. In our final video, we'll take it to the next level and build your very own custom skill from scratch. See you in the next one.